Julian here with two motos. It's gonna be a little short little update video on how the Jixer is going. It's gonna be a solo one today. Brandon wasn't able to make it today. I'm taking off the Woodcraft rear sets from Azula and putting them on the new bike. I had some difficulty taking off the right Woodcraft rear set for some reason. The bolt like snapped on me, didn't want to come off. It was able to get it off. Luckily, you can always get another bolt. Got the rear sets off, so I'm gonna put them on. Hopefully, make me feel more at home, and then I get to ride this baby soon. Woodcraft rear sets. Got them off. They're still charcoal black from the fire, so you know I'm gonna add a little taste to my bike. This is the difficult one, but still in good condition. So, just a reminder for everybody. I forgot to put Loctite one time on this little peg piece right here on the brake. So while I was at Streets of Willow in a session, all of a sudden I lost this little piece and it flew off while I was using the rear brake. So in a little ingenious way to use a little piece of just a screw and some lock nuts, and that's it. Now I still got a rear brake. So, you know, don't forget Loctite. Alright, sorry for the terrible lighting on the previous little section, but alright, so got the left side on, wasn't too hard. I'm still gonna use the stock mounting plates, which are gonna be right there. Let me zoom in on that so you can see that. Stock mounting plates are still there. What I love about this 2007 GSXR is it still gives you a little bit of play with the stock settings. So, you know, you don't need to buy a whole little mounting bracket for it. The OEM has some choices for you. Now the previous guy had reverse GP shifting. I'm going to change that back to stock. Honestly, I don't have a quick shifter, so I don't need GP shifting, and I'm not that fast for me to be changing mid corner and, you know, having that many times that I need to change gears, you know. So I'm going to go back to stock shifting. That's what I'm used to. I'm going to be quicker on that for my own style than GP. Maybe one day I'll switch to GP when I get a quick shifter, but as of right now, it's gonna go back to stock. Alright guys, so I was able to put the Woodcraft rear sets on. Again, I had issue with this one on the right hand side. I think the OEM hardware, which is gonna be this one right here. I can't really point it out, but I think it's bent because the right Woodcraft rear set kept rubbing into the swing arm with the brake master cylinder. Like, I don't want to bend it and end up snapping something, so you know I put a couple washers in there to give it a little bit of space. I got to perform a brake bleed. I'm going to do that another day because time's running out. You know, you get off work, you don't really have that much time. It's slowly coming together, piece by piece. I realized that there is a mounting bolt missing on the bike. So the bottom one is missing, so I gotta find or order that one. If I can find a spare one, I might take it off Azula, I'm not sure yet. I don't have a name for this bike, and I need help picking a name. Obviously, you know Azula, lived by her name, died by her name. But that phase, that Jixer is gone for now. And I need a new name for this one. I haven't thought of anything yet, mostly because I haven't ridden her yet. So I don't have no feeling, no hint of what she could be named. But if you have any cool name suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And if I happen to decide to pick one, that winner that I pick, I will send them a Moto Socks reservoir cap saying 2 motos. So that's a cool prize, you know, some limited there. If you ever want some caps that are custom and made for yourself and different names and logos that you want, definitely check out Moto Socks. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check them out. They're really cool. They've helped us out in the past before, and they still continue to support us, so that's great. Definitely thanks to ABS Fairings, of course, obviously. Can't wait to get those fairings back from Juan from Sugarcoat Innovations. Can't wait to see what he's done. He's telling us they're almost finished, so by the time we get the fairings, we should be doing our first track day maybe in March 2020. Because I still have issues that I have to fix with this bike right now. I'm having fuel pump issues. It doesn't want to prime, so bikes, they love to do that to you. But make sure to click like for this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have an Instagram, follow us on Instagram too. 2_motos is our channel name there. You know, follow us. We have tons of content on there. We're always creating, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram. We have plenty of content for you to follow and you'll enjoy. Have a good one, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.